Hi guys, welcome to Uniqueminireviewer. Techno Spark 40 vs Redmi 13 4G. So let's go. Asif Khan, editor and director. Play. Display section. Processor section. Prices in Bangladesh. RAM and storage. Rear camera section. Front camera section. Battery section. OS and Android section. Security section. Extras section. Network section. Launch date section. The best smartphone in Redmi 13 4G. Asif Khan, editor and director.